Welcome to my channel.
Let's start listening stories from two languages. Long time ago, in a jungle, there lived a mouse in a hole. He lived alone and made his own house in the hole.
Dahulu kala, di dalam sebuah hutan rimba, tinggallah seekor tikus di dalam lubang. Dia hidup sendiri dan membuat rumahnya sendiri di dalam lubang.
The mouse's house happened to be in the same cave as a bear, which was very large. The bear was very fierce.
Rumah tikus itu kebetulan berada di dalam gua yang sama dengan seekor beruang yang berukuran sangat besar. Beruang itu sangat buas.
The bear always brought his prey into the cave, so there were lots of animal bones in the cave. Even though the bear was very wild, he was good at saving his food.
Beruang selalu membawa hasil buruannya ke dalam gua, sehingga di dalam gua begitu banyak tulang hewan. Meskipun beruang sangat buas, tapi dia pandai menghemat makanannya.
The rest of his prey was kept in the cave, and he ate it when he felt hungry again. The wild bear lived alone in the cave because no one wanted to approach the bear. All animals were afraid of being preyed upon by the bear.
Sisa buruannya disimpan di dalam gua dan dia makan ketika dia merasa lapar lagi. Beruang yang buas itu tinggal sendirian di dalam gua itu karena tidak ada yang ingin mendekati beruang. Semua hewan takut dimangsa oleh beruang.
Until one night, the mouse came out of his hole to look for food. The mouse, with his courage, he took a little leftover food from the bear.
Hingga pada suatu malam, si tikus keluar dari lubangnya untuk mencari makanan. Si tikus dengan keberaniannya, dia mengambil sedikit sisa makanan si beruang.
The mouse sneaked around near the sleeping bear. The mouse was afraid that the bear would wake up. The mouse saw that the bear was sleeping very soundly, so he was free to walk here and there.
Tikus mengendap-endap berjalan di dekat beruang yang sedang tertidur itu. Tikus takut beruang akan terbangun. Tikus melihat beruang tertidur sangat pulas, jadi dia bebas berjalan ke sana kemari.
The mouse began to carry as much food into his hole as he could, and came back again to take more food. The mouse, which was busy going here and there, stole the bear's food, without realizing that the bear woke up.
Si tikus mulai membawa makanan ke lubangnya sebanyak yang dia bisa, dan kembali lagi mengambil makanan lebih banyak. Si tikus yang sedang asyik ke sana kemari mencuri makanan beruang, tanpa dia sadari beruang terbangun.
The bear whose sleep was disturbed felt very annoyed, because the mouse had disturbed his sleep. The bear immediately caught the mouse who was carrying the food.
Beruang yang terganggu tidurnya merasa sangat kesal. Karena si tikus sudah mengusik tidurnya, beruang langsung saja menangkap si tikus yang sedang membawa makanan itu.
The bear said, "O rat, how dare you steal my food, and how dare you disturb my sleep?"
Beruang berkata, "Wahai tikus, beraninya kamu mencuri makananku, dan berani sekali engkau mengusik tidurku."
The mouse felt scared and said, "I'm sorry, bear. I accidentally wake you up. I am hungry, so I take some of your food."
Tikus merasa ketakutan dan berkata, "Maafkan saya wahai beruang, saya tidak sengaja membangunkan kamu, saya kelaparan sehingga saya mengambil sedikit makananmu."
The mouse begged the bear for forgiveness. The mouse promised that if the bear let him go, one day he would be ready to help the bear when he needed help.
Si tikus memohon ampun kepada beruang. Tikus berjanji jika beruang melepaskan dia, suatu hari dia akan siap membantu beruang ketika butuh bantuan.
The bear, which was already full, was no longer interested in pouncing on the mouse. The bear heard the mouse's words. He laughed and said, "I am the greatest animal in this jungle. Why do I need help from a small mouse like you?"
Beruang yang sudah kekenyangan itu tidak lagi tertarik untuk menerkam si tikus. Beruang yang mendengar perkataan si tikus, Dia tertawa dan berkata, "Aku ini hewan terhebat di dalam hutan rimba ini. Untuk apa aku membutuhkan pertolongan dari tikus kecil seperti kamu?"
The bear felt that he would not need anyone's help in the jungle because he was the greatest, because the mouse made the bear laugh. Finally, the bear let the mouse go.
Beruang merasa tidak akan membutuhkan bantuan siapapun di dalam hutan, karena dirinya yang paling hebat. Karena tikus membuat beruang tertawa, akhirnya beruang melepaskan si tikus itu.
The mouse immediately ran fast into his hole and forgot about his food.
Tikus itu langsung berlari kencang masuk ke lubangnya dan melupakan makanannya.
A few days later, the bear's food supply had run out. The bear had to leave the cave again to look for food. When the bear was in the middle of the jungle, suddenly he accidentally stepped on something, which resulted in him being caught in the hunter's net.
Beberapa hari kemudian, persediaan makanan beruang sudah habis, beruang harus keluar gua lagi untuk mencari makanan. Ketika beruang berada di tengah hutan, tiba-tiba dia tidak sengaja menginjak sesuatu yang mengakibatkan dia terperangkap di jaring para pemburu.
The bear tried his best to free himself from the net, but the more he struggled, the more the net strangled his body.
Beruang berusaha sekuat tenaga untuk membebaskan diri dari jaring itu, tapi semakin dia meronta, semakin kuat jaring itu mencekik tubuhnya.
The bear felt pain and started roaring. The mouse who heard the bear's roar immediately looked for the direction of the bear's voice.
Beruang merasa kesakitan dan mulai mengaum. Si tikus yang mendengar auman si beruang segera mencari arah suara beruang.
Until not long after, the mouse found a bear that was entangled in a hunter's net. The mouse said, "Don't worry, bear. I'm ready to help you escape from this net, according to my promise to you."
Hingga tidak lama kemudian, si tikus menemukan beruang yang terjerat jaring pemburu. Si tikus berkata, "Jangan khawatir wahai beruang, aku siap membantumu lepas dari jaring ini sesuai janjiku padamu."
The bear was touched because the mouse kept his promise and didn't lie. The bear also felt guilty because he thought he was the greatest animal who didn't need anyone's help, even though he couldn't do everything by himself.
Beruang tersentuh hatinya karena tikus menepati janjinya dan tidak berbohong. Beruang juga merasa bersalah karena menganggap dirinya hewan paling hebat yang tidak membutuhkan bantuan siapapun, padahal tidak semua bisa dia kerjakan sendiri.
The mouse began to bite the net ropes one by one with his sharp and tiny teeth. Until all the net ropes broke, the bear was finally able to get out of the net. He roared and felt happy to be free again.
Si tikus mulai menggigit satu persatu tali jaring dengan gigi-giginya yang tajam dan mungil itu, hingga semua tali jaring putus. Beruang akhirnya bisa keluar dari jaring itu. Dia mengaum dan merasa senang bisa bebas kembali.
The fierce and wild bear thanked the mouse for saving his life from the hunter's net.
Beruang yang ganas dan buas itu mengucapkan terima kasih kepada si tikus yang sudah menyelamatkan nyawanya dari jaring para pemburu.
The bear promised to share all the food he had with the mouse, so that the mouse no longer had to steal the bear's food.
Beruang berjanji akan membagi setiap makanan yang dia punya kepada si tikus, sehingga tikus tidak perlu lagi mencuri makanan beruang.